Good afternoon to you. I'm CBS 19 Weather Authority meteorologist David Reese. We continue to track this tornado warning in Appomattox and extreme southern Buckingham County. That goes for another 18 minutes. It is moving to the north at 30 miles per hour. Here locally, though, we are looking at some more rain breaking out across central Virginia, and that will be honestly the case over the next, say, hour and a half or so. Notice, though, no kind of severe weather, at least as of now. Not seeing any signs of rotation there either, so that is certainly good news. If you have friends over in the Shenandoah Valley, severe thunderstorm warning there for Rockbridge County. That is about to move into Augusta County, and so that is for them. But our immediate concern is this batch of rain off to the south of us. Notice it does have a couple of tornado warnings associated with it, and it's mixed in with all of the really heavy rain. So you're not going to be able to see a tornado heading your direction because, well, look at all the rain around it. So if there is a warning issued for your location, immediately seek shelter. Don't try to look for it. Now, as we go ahead and expand things out a little bit for you here, we're looking at this first batch. Remember, I talked about earlier this morning of a couple different waves. Well, wave number one is moving through or set to arrive as we speak. And then you have a little bit of a lull here down near Charlotte and Greensboro and down towards Columbia, South Carolina. But notice, yeah, more significant weather extending from the highlands of South Carolina all the way down into Georgia and Florida. And this portion here up near Greenville, Spartanburg, well, that is going to be sliding over the top of us as we head into your evening hours. So let's time it out here on your Futurecast. Between now and, say, 1:30, 2 o'clock, the showers and storms will be racing on through from south to north across the region. There's that little bit of a break, but there could be another thunderstorm out ahead of it over the next couple of hours. And that sound you hear is the National Weather Service chat. Anytime the word tornado is used, it has that sound. So that is not for us, so that is certainly good news. But getting back to the Futurecast here, 4 o'clock. A couple of thunderstorms out ahead of the main line, and there's the main line still to the west of Roanoke. But as we head into the dinner hour, say between 4:30 to about 8 o'clock, let's give you that window here. And there's a line of showers and thunderstorms, and then notice what happens. It starts to kind of bow out some, and it's that counterclockwise spin that's going to give us the threat for significant wind. What do I mean by significant wind? Wind in excess of 70, maybe 80 miles per hour in some locations. Now, there is still that moderate risk for severe weather from the city of Charlottesville all the way down towards Richmond and south of Interstate 64. A lot of you have asked how many times have we been under a moderate risk. I looked back, and even that derecho in 2012, we weren't under a moderate risk. So that just tells you something, that you should take all the warnings today seriously, because, again, the number one concern, damaging wind. Isolated tornadoes are also a possibility. Again, we have tornado warnings to the south, and we'll continue to keep a close eye on that. And if warranted, we will cut in for long-form tornado coverage if necessary. Madison Ford extended forecast here has 74 this afternoon, 65 with a few scattered showers later in the day on Saturday, and then continuing into Easter Sunday, but nothing severe over Easter weekend. That all occurs between basically now and 9 o'clock tonight, Bo. So again, stay with the Weather Authority team. We'll keep you guys up to date. If you haven't already, download the CBS 19 Weather Authority app. It is free in your app store. We also have something on Facebook that allows you to personalize the alerts for you right there in your app.
All right. I hear your computer beeping some more. I'll let you go check that.
Yep.
All right. Thank you, David. And our Health Watch now.